Magaling dumiling siya panalo. Okay ba sa inyo yan? Okay ba yan?
Jason!
Hey ladies, come on. I'd like to introduce you. Pag nanalo, may halik sa kanya. What's your name?
Jenny.
Jenny, you understood what I'm talking about. You don't know how to speak English? A little. Because I call all the boys in front of us, and then there will be a competition with who will be the winner with the sexiest way.
Yeah.
Okay? The audience will participate, huh? They will be the one who judges. And then after this, if who will be the one winner, then they will come into you. Okay? Yeah, to you. Is it okay for you? Okay now! Okay lang sa'yo? Are you sure? Are you sure?
I don't know, but I expect your actions.
Oh, it depends on sa action nyo.
Oh, depende daw.
It depends upon to your action, okay? Alright, you come here to the center, then let us watch them, okay? Are you ready? Well, bawal magubad ha, bawal magubad. Bawal mo tatagalan namin the sexiest way lang ha.
Oo, bawal.
For this point, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, music please!
Ay, para naman partner, bawal ang camera.
Oo, tinong tao yun.
Camera.
Sino nagka-camera? Nakalimutan ko sabihin, bawal yan ha.